Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel BBC World News. This time we talk about Mozambique Chapo call on the policeman to defend the good image of the force. Mozambican President Daniel Chapo on Thursday called the country police agent to avoid all acts which damage the good image of the police force and the Mozambican state. Speaking at the graduation ceremony at the police academy on the outskirts of Maputo, Chapo stressed of the behavior of the police must be impartial, transparent, and sensitive to the need of the people. He added that the country still faces many challenges linked to the crime, and use of science and technology is fundamental to allow us to the forecast and control criminal phenomenon and police operation happen inside the community, and so the police must avoid act which and the besmirch the good image of the force, said Japo. That mean that and the damaging practice such as corruption, extortion, and the nepotism, lack of the discipline, and failure to respect netizens and citizens are not acceptable in the force. These were practices which bring discredit on our Mozambican state and you represent the authority of the state. He stressed the newly trained police officers that the president are joining the force at a challenging moment for Mozambique, characterized by organized and the transnational crime, illegal violence and criminal demonstration, public disorder, lack of respect for the agent of law and order, and sabotage of the economy. Tapo urged the Akipol leadership to pay the particular attention to the civic and the patriotic education, particularly on such matters as human rights, international humanitarian law, terrorism, organized crime, mediation of the conflict, and the environment. We believe that the component given an added value to police training, which we would like to see imbued with a sense of state patriotism and saving our people. Chapo did not mention any specific example, but the involvement of some police officer in organized crime was exposed on Wednesday when the National Criminal Investigation Service announced that 7 people had been detained in connection with the kidnapping and murder of an Indian businessman in the southern city of the Chowk. Two of the detained and they are the member of the police forces. Mozambican President Daniel Chapo on the Thursday called on the country police agent to avoid all acts which damage the good image of the police force and the Mozambican state. Police operation happened inside the community, and so the police must avoid acts which besmirch the good image of force at Chapo. They mean that the damaging practice such as corruption and the extortion, clientism, nepotism, lack of discipline, and the failure to respect citizens and the not acceptable in the force. I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe my channel next time. Goodbye.